Welcome everyone. Today we are going to install PHP, Xampp, Composer and Laravel. At first we need to install Xampp with PHP and then we will install Composer and link to PHP. For downloading Xampp, go to google.com and search for Xampp. Here, click on download link. You can see multiple Xampp version with different PHP versions. Let's download latest version of Xampp with PHP. The downloading has been started as you can see here. Now to install Composer, go to google.com, search for Composer. Here click on download composer.far link. You can see Composer setup.x for Windows installer. Download it. We need to install Composer only after Xampp is successfully installed. So, let's wait for it to download and then we will install Xampp. Remember to install Xampp in other drive except where the Windows is installed because it will create difficulties with permission. I will install Xampp in D drive. The Xampp has been installed successfully. Let's open it. Run the Apache and MySQL. Now let's install Composer. The PHP will be automatically detected, but if your Composer installation didn't detect PHP, then click Browse and go to folder where Xampp has been installed. Go to PHP folder and now select php.x. After that click on Next and wait for it to install. Now let's check if the Composer has been successfully installed. For that go to Xampp, and type Composer and hit enter. Here, you can see the Composer version, which means it has been installed successfully. Now to install Laravel, go to google.com and search for Laravel. Click on Installation via Composer and copy this command. Now go to Xampp folder and go to htdocs. Now click here and type cmd. And in cmd paste the command. The Laravel will be installed in example app folder. You can change the name by changing name in cmd or by renaming folder after Laravel has been installed. Now to check if Laravel is installed, go to browser and type localhost, example app. Click on public. And here you can see that the Laravel has been installed.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.